Would you eat this or no? So this is beef liver. I told myself that I'm gonna try beef liver as well as beef kidney. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it. So this is the beef liver that I bought, that I said I'm gonna try it. To be honest, it was kind of disgusting, I'm not gonna lie, to touch it the way that it looks. But guess what, I am going to try it and see if I like it. So again, I am the only one that's gonna eat this beef liver, so I'm not gonna do everything. I'm just gonna remove it from the package and cut it in two. Right, so here I am just removing it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it in two. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, ensure that you turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss a video whenever I post. So here I was just testing to see if there is anything that needed to be removed, the silver skin, before I cut it, and it was already cleaned by the store. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it in cubes. So that's that half that I cut, I just put it away. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and test out this piece. I don't want to do a lot because I don't know if I'm gonna like it, yes or not. This is just to try it. Let me know if you love beef liver. What do you normally eat it with? Yes, and let me know where you are watching from as well. I know a lot of you out there do not eat beef liver like myself, but it is packed with iron. It is very good for you. So if you're anemic, you can definitely eat some beef liver, other from eating the greens like callaloo, banana, and so forth. Beef liver, chicken liver, it is packed with iron, so you can definitely go ahead and give it a try. Okay, so once I finish cutting it, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it properly, and I use vinegar to wash it. You can use lime or lemon, or you can use both lime and vinegar to wash it. Once I finish washing it, I use a paper towel to dry off any excess water from it that was not shown on camera. For season, I'm using black pepper because liver have a strong smell, so I use black pepper so you get rid of some of the smell. This is salt. I do not add a lot of salt. Normally I don't use salt on my meat, but lately I start using a little bit. This is Maggi season. Do not add too much salt because the season that you're using sometimes are very salty, so be careful with the amount of salt that you're adding. And this is Caribbean spice that I have here. This is a mixture, a blend of everything like pimento, pepper, garlic, thyme, etc. It's a blend of everything that is in that container. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic powder, and you want to add a good amount, right? And this is onion powder that I'm going to add some as well. So once I add that, I also have the gravy browning that I'm going to use for coloring. Is there any other way that you can prepare beef liver? I want to know, other than the regular Jamaican style. I honestly want to know. Also, if you don't have gravy browning, you can use dark soy sauce or sugar. You brown your sugar in the oil, and you have to be very careful when you're browning the sugar in the oil because it can burn you. Yes, so you have to be very careful with that process. Normally I don't use browning. I used to love using sugar, but no, I just get used to it. Yes, you don't want to add too much browning because it is very dark in color. I do not do any measurement for this, but if you want to do measurement, you can go with 1 teaspoon or test it out to see that it is not too dark in color. Maybe I need to start the measurement so I can have the proper measurement for you guys. Alright, so I will start doing that very soon. So once I had the browning, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a stir. And as you can see, I put the right amount of browning. I don't know how we do it, but yes, we do it. So I have my pot on my stove. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and place them in there, let it stir on both sides for about 1 minute or so, because it doesn't take long to cook. Yes, so once it's seared on both sides for that time, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some water in the same bowl that I used to season the beef liver and pour it over it and allow it to cook. Once it is cooked, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my veggies that I have here. So for veggies, I have some onion, thyme, I have pepper. So I have both hot pepper and sweet pepper, and I have some scallion. And guys, let me tell you, did I like the beef liver? I would say I will give it a 5 out of 10. It was so hard to eat for me. So I don't know if I'm gonna try it again because I don't think I like it. Yes, I do not like it, but it is rich in iron. So if you want to go ahead and give it a try, go ahead and do so.